Happy birthday to me. You have us. Enjoy your day, nigga. Have us.
This is the day when my mom was in pain. After 9 months, kept me in the stomach. She was so patient and ugly in the face. Listening to pains that separate veins. I gotta thank you, mama, and also pay me, mama, cause the life isn't easy. Now I'm here, I ain't trying, I have to push, I have to force. Every situation to pass through, no matter how is it, bro. God, please bless me, God, please protect me now. I'm older, I had to be stronger. No babangan tonga, I had to cooperate, concentrate and separate the bad things and good things in West times. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you, have us. Happy birthday. Whoa.
Happy birthday to me. You have us. Enjoy your day, nigga. You have us.
Hey, she named me as Unat. Now they call you YaHaveUs. Boy, you have to be strong. Where were you all along? As I celebrate another year of growth and achievement, I hope I will always have great memories to look back on. Friends may come and go, brothers are forever. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It is a special day that helped me to see how far I have to come, how far I have to go. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. It's YaHaveUs. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. I hope you're fine.
Happy birthday to